Right now we're going to learn about something so interesting and so important, so please pay close attention. If you see that picture right there, you see what's called a root. In Hebrew, a root is called a Shoresh. Now, as you know very well, that underneath every single tree and underneath every single plant and every single flower in the world, there are roots that go deep into the earth. But it's these roots that let the entire rest of the tree grow and make branches and make leaves and even make fruits. But the root is the part that the whole tree stands on. So remember that roots are very important, and in Hebrew the root is called the Shoresh. Every Hebrew word also has a root, has a Shoresh. If you look at this very common Hebrew word that's found all over the Torah, Vayomru, and they said, the part that's in red, Aleph, Mem, Resh, is actually the root. It is the Shoresh. Then there are some letters that come right before the Shoresh, Vav and Yud. Those are called the prefix. We're going to fix the root, we're going to fix the Shoresh by adding Vav and Yud. The pre, that means before, fix. And then there's a letter after it. This is called the suffix. In Hebrew, the end is sof. So that's a good way to remember. Sof, fix. We're going to fix the end. Now let's see what happens if we take away this suffix. Whoops, there it went. Look at that. It changes the meaning. The word is no longer Vayomru, it's Vayomer. And now it doesn't mean, and they said. Instead it means, and he said. What happens if we take away the prefix? Oh, there it went. We're now left with the Shoresh. But look what happens to the meaning. Oh, there goes that word. There goes that word. And yes, even the meaning of the Shoresh itself changes a little bit. And now the Shoresh, Aleph, Mem, Resh, means to say. This means that from one simple Shoresh, 3 Hebrew letters, Aleph, Mem, Resh, we're able to build a whole tree with many related words. 2 of them that we learned are Vayomer, and he said, Vayomru, and they said, by adding a prefix of Vav and Yud, and then by adding a suffix of Vav, we change the meaning of the root word Aleph, Mem, Resh, to say, to mean 2 other different words. And that you're going to find all over the Torah. It's very important that you learn how to find the root, the Shoresh, to see the suffix, the letter at the end of the word, and the prefix, the letters at the beginning of the word.